Right now, cabbages are in season here in Sweden, so the other day I made kåldolmar. Since I still had all of this cabbage left, I figured today we'd do one of my favorite autumn traditions, surkål or sauerkraut as you might know it. So start by sterilizing our jars. I bake my wash jars in an oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or so, and boil the rubber seal for 5 minutes maybe. It's not very precise. And while these cool, we can start by removing one large piece of cabbage leaf. And then we cut thin slices of the rest. How thin depends on your preferences. There are many different ways to prepare surkål or sauerkraut, but this is how I've done it for several years without any issues. Weigh the jar. We want to add 2% of the cabbage's weight in salt, so we need to subtract the weight of the jar. So stuff the jar full of cabbage. I'll save my leftovers to make pizza salad, but you can make more jars if you're so inclined. Weigh it again and do some simple maths to figure out how much salt you need to add by weight. Then weigh your salt to get it right and add it. Take the big leaf that we removed in the beginning and cut a small hole in the middle just to allow the air to escape. Air is bad. Then we pour enough boiling water on top to cover everything under a few centimeters of water. I have a room that I don't use, so I turned off the heat and it's always around 18 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for surkål, and I'll leave it there for 3 weeks to ferment. The type of jar I'm using doesn't require burping because gases are able to leave through the rubber seal, and you'll often find that liquids come with it, so I always have a little bowl or something underneath. If you have another jar, you'll need to look up whether it needs burping or not, because otherwise it might explode. If it's your first time doing it, I'd say leave it for 1 week and then taste it. Next time, do it for 2 weeks and taste it. If you like the taste of the 2-week version more than the 1-week version, then next time try it for 3 weeks. By doing this, you can experiment back and forth and find the perfect ferment for you. Just remember to keep track of temperature and dates and everything like that, so you know how to reproduce the results. So, do you dare to try to make your own surkål this autumn? Let me know. Bye.